Viewer subscribers, Vybz Kartel, the world boss, one Dan, is at it again, and this time Vybz Kartel took the time out to show off himself with his two sons, Little Vybz and Little Addy, at his Straight Vybz launch in Barbados. And man, not tell a lie, it's a good look. Them pit them normal, them up a notch, them bad, them wicked, them mad, them sicked, talk shoot no people. And right now, me have a clip of the moment when Mother's son, Dante, was freed from prison, and I'm not saying a lie, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look, and as you all can see, it's an overwhelming moment, and I'm not even going to talk too long. I go forward another clip here and see what I go on. So people, that was a clip of the moment when Dante was freed from prison, and me not tell a lie, that clip then a normal people. It loud about the cloud, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked, no jokes, talk truth no people, and me know Movado is a happy man right now. And people, right now me have a clip of Bounty Killer, the Ground Godzilla, aka Mr. Jamaica, and people, Bounty Killer take the time out to go celebrate his mother, Miss Ivy birthday. Yeah, man. And I'm not telling a lie. It's a good look. It's a big look. And I'm not even going to talk too long. I go forward another clip here and see what Bounty Killer, the Ground Godzilla, a.k.a. Mr. Jamaica, I go on with. So people, that was a clip of Bounty Killer, the Ground Godzilla, aka Mr. Jamaica, at his mother, Miss Ivy, graveside, celebrating her birthday. And I'm not telling a lie, people, the clip is normal, it up a notch, it loud about the cloud, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked, no jokes, talk truth no people. And right now we have a clip of Popcaan, the unruly boss, and Popcaan outside of one place and one party no people. And him link up with the one and only Jab Top Records. And for instance, Popcaan and Jab Top link up. You don't know, say sit and cook up. And I'm not even going to talk too long. But I forward another clip here and show now what I go on.
You are sing like singing sweet. Yeah. It's a lifestyle moment, you know what I'm saying? I read them up.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, son, like a fire out there, you fuck. You don't want to think it's a game. No, we don't God.
No.
Yeah, big up, drop top. From that time till this time, yeah.
So people, that was a clip of Popcaan and Jab Top linking up. And I'm not telling a lie, there is never a dull moment when Popcaan and Jab Top link up. The clip is normal, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked, talk truth no people. And right now we have a clip of Governor and the boss in studio no people with a big bad expensive style and it not spoil. And I'm not even going to talk too long. I can forward another clip here and hear what Govy I go on with.
The one with the grip to see fat, it is the foil. Grip it blood, a chippy chip, be a box skinny dick. The digging it, put your full face down when a nigga ringing it. Back up in a bikini, me no fuck no bikini. Put a cube as you move and the pussy figgy me. Make a fuck a bimini, make a little piggy. Tell us in the icky me can't see the limit. And back up the buy, see the girl body high. Her man love for she boom boom, and she spy quick. Alibi, tell him see the body die. Any girl walk with 2 phone, I feel like she said. Morning sir, tell her cocky high, she said. Morning sir, tell her cocky high, she said. Morning sir, tell her cocky high, she said. Morning sir. Good look, body for your good look. Tell her been up in and said that who say good look. Tell her pussy tight to forget a prize. Sada my girl love a cocky do uno. Tell me girl a Italy, send her take the pick of me. I me girl a Tiffany, we stop a girl for me cocky. Brittany and Tiffany, and tell me say them sick of me. To me buy a figurine, for me girl a lick of me. It a fi buy the girl, but the guy from one love what you boom flat off his spine quick. Alibi, tell him say the battery die. Me love this little girl, but me give the fatty blind. She said, morning sir, tell her cocky. She said, morning sir, tell her cocky high. Yeah.
So people, that was a clip of Governor in studio with a big bad expensive style. And people, me not tell a lie, that one a no spoil. It loud a bossy cloud, it up a notch, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. Talk truth no man, govy, for the girl them. I one thing with Governor, when him go girl song, and not normal. Talk truth no man. And right now me have a clip of Tragic and him bridging in the people and the man them outside with a big bad expensive style. And people, it no spoil. Them youth are tough in a real life. And me not go talk too long. Make me forward in a clip and show no what I go on.
There you go.
Yeah. For your moms them.
Mad. Yeah, she love a man, I love the scam. Get in a position, the clock said 3:16. She know what time to broke it, John. She say me ugly like a monkey, so she come for fucky kang. Like Eminem song, them a some body long. Top up surprise, girl, I never know a some tan. Like 5G Wi-Fi, a some body chang. To all your pussy body, give me over. Touch
me tell her,
a friend for me, fuck me love a girl, I love me.
Mama, your body like the rhythm, yeah. No beginner, you revolt like the beamer. You no similar, and you do her cocky deliver. Now me feed dinner, body long like the river. Taki she liver, fat pussy Vivian, me woulda live in ya. Vicky see where you thinking ya. Give me see me ya. She said dark like cinema, sweet like a Jimmy ya. Yellow all little divina, what do that in ya?
I certainly.
So people, that was a clip of Tragic and him friend with a big bad expensive style. And people, you see them two youth there. Them have talent, no joke about that. That clip then are normal. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. When I go and do it, me youth. No joke. The work I go work. Once you don't stop. And right now, we have a clip of Reginald, the P-man, and people, the boss have a message for Olivia Babsy Grange. And I'm not even going to talk too long. But I forward in a clip and show no original I go on with.
In agreement with Minister Grange about certain dancehall lyrics that are now perfuming the airwaves in their artistry, and I do agree with her in calling on dancehall artists to be more, respectful to the females. Yes, in their writing, I agree with you 100%. But in the same breath, Minister, I want you to also look at what our young children is learning in school, because I mean the plan to change the culture.
There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was Reginald P-man with a message for Olivia Babsy Grange. And people, me not tell no lie. Reginald no normal. Him think up a notch. Reginald a clip your bad. It wicked, it mad, it sicked. Talk truth no people. And me not even gonna talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them, all of UTG fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Vybz Kartel showing off his two sons, Little Vybz and Little Addy, at his Straight Vybz launch in Barbados. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool. Yeah man, I want to see all of Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them and all of dancehall fans them. I spam up the comment section and make me know what I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Suka, and I'm out.